Welcome. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps spread the word and helps make more of these videos possible.
Hello, this is Karia again, and I have another video for you today. Today, I will be doing a video of something that I covered about a year ago, I think. But I thought I would do like it was a live stream, but I thought I would do a more formal video. And what I'm going to do today is we're going to talk about drawing white objects on white paper. So I have here, this is my white object. These are my headphones, but we're going to draw them closed like this, so that there's more white. There's a lot of color when you open it up, but there'll be more white here with the headphones closed. So I thought we would do that, and we'd talk about some of the things to keep in mind when drawing white objects on a white paper. Even though this is kind of a creamy paper, it's not exactly a white paper. You'll just have to bear with me. But this is kind of something that I did a while ago. This is just an example. This is a I think alpaca or maybe llama that I drew, and it's obviously a white fur, and you can see that it's finished, but it's white fur, but you can definitely see that it's not just blank. So that's what I thought we would do. We'd do a different one. So I have here a little bit of a base sketch. I'm not really a professional artist, but this is still fun, and I thought I would do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back a few times and then probably voice over as I do the next steps. So I have here my white object. So this is what it's going to look like. The first thing I think I want to do is I want to put in a little bit of these darker shadows, as well as this line across here, and begin to do some shadows. If you look at the object, you're going to see that there is some white here, but there's also a fair bit of color. You can see that there's a really sharp white here and a really sharp white there, but a lot of the rest has various shades of gray and maybe a little bit of a pale blue. So that's what we're going to do. So when you do white objects, it's important to get the shadows and to focus on the individual colors that you see throughout. So that's what I'm going to do.
All right, so I have here just a preliminary sketch. I may end up doing a little bit of erasing of this section here. It's a bit too dark, but you can see that it's kind of starting to take shape. I'm going to come back in and do another maybe do some more of these shadows underneath, as well as to try to get some of the highlights masked in there with the white. So I'll be right back with that.
I got this here, and I think I'm actually going to consider it done. It's not perfect, but it's definitely a great way towards being there. Some things that I did, I put a little bit of it pale blue back here. I put just a very faint light yellow ochre over here, and I put a little bit of light yellow ochre at the bottom, as well as some medium grays on here, and then I put some light grays all around, as well as putting in a little bit of white, which I'm not sure you can see, but there's some white here to mask out some of the highlights. And I think the proportions aren't quite right, but I think it gets the general idea across, and you can see how to sort of give a white object shape and texture by just making sure that you color in the shadow and adding the various hues that you see. In this I saw a fair bit of yellow because of the light here that I have here. So I hope that this is helpful. Let me know down in the comments if you have any questions, or if you would like to see another one of these white object videos, or if you would like to see me take on the same thing from a different angle. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks again to the patrons. And if you aren't following me on Instagram, now is a great time, because it is Black History Month, and I'm trying to do a different sort of art or fiber arts related person every day for Black History Month. So that's going on in my Instagram, and there's a link to my Instagram down in the description. And I think that's it. All right, stay for the video of Stewie, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Hey, buddy. How you doing, buddy? Who's your good boy? What's up, buddy? Why you look so mad, huh? Who's your cool boy?